Hold up, your order is almost complete. And before you dive into your 5-day Remodeling Made Easy introductory information, I wanted to let you know about something only a very few will be allowed to participate in during this challenge. You see, some people like to make sure they get the most out of everything they do. They want to get the best results and they want to excel in every way. Is this you? If so, we have exactly what you're looking for right now, so you're going to want to listen up. For a select few Remodeling Made Easy Challenge participants, there's the opportunity to work even more closely with myself to ensure you get the best results for your upcoming remodeling project. Interested? Then here's what we have to ramp up your project's success. First, you get extra time in a small group setting. This is why it's limited, because once the spots are filled, it's filled and it's a small group. In this group, I answer your questions about your project and diving deeper on any of that day's trainings or any of the Remodeling Made Easy Challenge trainings. Talk about a tremendous opportunity. It's the chance to get all your questions answered directly and learn from what the select few others are asking, which can spark ideas for you on your project. Holy value, right? Now you want to attempt to keep track of all the resources being delivered to you for this 5-day Remodeling Made Easy Challenge. I know I always appreciate a way to keep this information organized, especially since you're going to be using this moving forward in your project. What we've got for you is a VIP organizing binder, including tabs inside of it, to be able to help keep everything organized and at a fingertips grab. Awesome, right? And just when you thought this was perfect, how about we give the ultimate cherry on top? I will also be including a 30-minute one-on-one VIP call with me where you get the opportunity to send in your completed roadmap and I review it before we hop on a call to provide you additional tips on your remodeling project in person. This is where I often hand select our renovation projects we take on as a company, as either the builder or as a consultant if you're outside of our area. No better way to get your project noticed than with a VIP one-on-one call. By now, when you think you're up to the challenge of implementing this Remodeling Made Easy Challenge at a level 10 and want to get the most bang for your buck and are looking to ensure your successful completion of an implementable roadmap, this is a no-brainer. Click the Yes, I Want VIP Coaching Access link below to join me at the highest level. And either way, it's time to get ready to rock out and create the Remodeling Made Easy roadmap for your home. Watch for emails and trainings from me leading up to the challenge that starts on May 2nd. And make sure to request your invite to our Remodeling Made Easy Challenge Facebook group. I'll be dropping some gold nuggets in there only for our Remodeling Made Easy Challenge participants. Go there now to make sure you catch them all. Time to get to work to create your dream home.